Om Shanti. Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to continue to yesterday's Murli. Murli is dated 23rd December 1994, and the essence was constantly keep your three forms in your awareness. First, the confluence aged Brahmin form, second, the angelic form, and third, the deity form. So Baba explained these three forms in great details. Here on the screen, you can see the five forms, right? The eternal incorporeal form, then the original deity form, then the worthy of worship form, Brahmin form, and the angelic form. So Baba mentioned about the signs and specialities of Brahmin form and angelic form and deity form. Today we are going to see that. So just to quickly revise, Brahmin means, Baba said, the one who is complete with all powers, all weapons. So therefore, he is the conqueror of Maya and victorious. A Brahmin is one who has a crown, a tilak, and is seated on the throne. So we saw what was the crown, what was the tilak, and what is the throne. A Brahmin is one who constantly lives a life of alokik pleasure, no influence of others, no dependency, and constantly has a spiritual face and character. And then Baba explained about the angelic form. The sign of angelic form is being double light, right? So light in the form and light in the state of mind. So Baba explained about lightness, right? Lightness in your nature, sanskars, relationships and connections. And also Baba said an angel is one who has no relationship with the old body and the old world. So everything is new. So even whilst living together with everyone, coming into connections and relationships, we should be detached and loving. So balance between being loving and detached. And then Baba, he spoke about the obstacle in becoming an angel, which is the arrogance, the consciousness of the body. So we saw, right, what is the arrogance of the body. For that, Baba said, remember just two words, bestower and Karan Karavan Har, right? So let's see the third form, that is the deity form today. The third is an angel who is to become a deity. Are you going to become a deity now or in the future? Will you become this in the future? So we have to become deity now, right? Or do you wish to become this now? You have to become this now. Acha. A deity means one who is adorned with all the virtues. These divine virtues are the adornments of the divine life of the confluence age. You are adorned with the divine virtues at this time, for only then will you be adorned with the physical adornments in the future. Right? So there's a direct connection. The more you adorn yourself with the divine virtues, now at the confluence age, Baba says, accordingly you will be adorned with the physical adornments in the future, the golden age. To be a deity means to be adorned with the divine virtues. And secondly, a deity means one who gives, not one who takes, but one who gives. So are you the master bestowers? So these two specialities or signs, Baba says, of the deity form. One is adorned with all the divine virtues, and second is master bestowers, one who always gives. Are you sometimes those who take and sometimes those who give? So check whether you constantly have the adornments of the divine virtues, or whether you sometimes forget some adornments. Do you sometimes forget some adornments? To be completely full of all the virtues is the sign of the deity life. These virtues are your jewelry. Right? Now at the confluence age, These virtues are your jewelry. So check whether you have become those who have all the powers of the Brahmin form, whether you have the double light stage of being an angel, whether you have the sign of the deities, that is, of being a bestower, and whether you have become complete with all the divine virtues. So, in this one line, Baba summarizes the entire Murli. hmm, Complete with all powers, that is the Brahmin form, double light stage, that is the angelic form, and the deity form, one who is a bestower and complete with all the divine virtues. So, do you experience all three forms? Just as you constantly remember the three relationships of the Father. What are the three relationships? The Father, the Teacher, and the Satguru. In the same way, constantly remember these three forms of yours. Do you understand what you have to do? You have to become this, do you not? Or is someone else going to come here to become this? You have to become this, do you not? Today, a Brahmin. Tomorrow, see, Baba says, today you're a Brahmin, tomorrow an angel, and then a deity. Just see your angelic form in the mirror of Gyan. Angels always, what do angels do? Angels always fly and give messages, right? They don't remain at one place. They're not stagnant. They keep flying. Whenever they show this, they show an angel just comes, gives their message, and flies away. So who are these angels? Are you these angels? Acha. Are you sure that you are this? Right? It is always shown that an angel will come and help with whatever help is needed. Angel will do the needful and fly away. Angel doesn't wait. So Baba says, are you sure you are this angel? Is no one else this? Say with intoxication, we are this, we are this, and we will be this. Are you sure? This is known as having victory through an intellect which has faith. Nishchay buddhi vijayanti. So that much faith that I am this, I will be this. So are you victorious or are you warriors? Who are you? You are victorious, not warriors. Some will have to become warriors, will they not? Or will others become that? Do not ever become a warrior whilst moving along. If you become a warrior again and again, if you keep on battling, then where would the sanskars of battling take you? Sanskars of battling will take you where? Huh? The Sun dynasty or the Moon dynasty? But you do not like being part of the Moon dynasty, do you? Or does it not matter if you sometimes become this? So who are all of you? Brahmins? Are you the real Brahmins? Or are you a little weak? Are the Shakti strong? Are the Pandavas strong? Acha. Now Baba should not receive any more such letters. Letters of complaining about each other or any other weaknesses. If you are strong, then Baba should constantly receive letters of good news. Maya came and this happened. What has happened? How has it happened? You should not have this even in your thoughts. Baba says, you must not even have it in your dreams. There should be no why or what, even in your dreams. Are you strong to this extent? Kyun, kya, kaise, Baba says, this should not be there in your thoughts, even in your dreams. You have already said yes. And the Shaktis, are you even more strong? Or are you still a little weak? Say, if the Pandavas are strong, we are even stronger. Because the Shaktis have been made the instruments. If the instruments themselves are weak or strong, what would the condition of others be? The Pandavas are the backbone. Do you like being the backbone, or do you like causing opposition? It is good to be the backbone. You remain very safe. Otherwise, you are beaten. Right? Baba always said, na, keep the Shaktis ahead. Pandavas should be behind the Shaktis. So Shaktis should be the guides and Pandavas guards. Right? If the Pandavas go in front, Baba said, you will be beaten. Acha, you have now reached your sweet home. You had the thought, we have to go, we have to go. What is the thought you have now? Even now, you still have to go. Do you not? Right? Before going to Madhuban, constantly we have this thought, right? We have to go to Madhuban. And then Baba says you have to go back. You are going for the sake of service, and this is why you are going with happiness. You are going for service, are you not? Or will you go to your shop, to your home, or your workplace? No, you're going on service. Whether it is your workplace or your home, all places are service places, right? So this is very important to uh, keep this in your awareness that wherever I am, that is my service place. There is service at every place for those who are serviceable. So to come to Madhuban, fill your treasure store with zeal and enthusiasm, and then to go on service. It is like this, is it not? You go with great happiness, do you not? Or do you go out of compulsion? Service means happiness. It should not be that you feel that you have karmic accounts and that you are going to settle some debts. You are going to fulfill your responsibilities. So, not even think that, wherever I am with because of my karmic accounts. I'm settling my karmic account. Baba says, no, don't feel that. In fact, we should have this awareness that wherever I am for service, to fulfill your responsibilities. So Baba says there are many stalks in the family. If there were no stalks, to whom would you give this knowledge? Would you give it to the swans? तो बगुलों को हंस बनाना है ना. So Baba says you have to make the stalks into swans. You have to change the stalks into swans. What will you remember? To be a Brahmin is to become an angel, and then an angel who is to become a deity. You will definitely remember this, will you not? Or will you forget one of them while you travel on the trains? And whilst going to your respective places, will only one remain? It will not be like this, will it? So Baba says, if you go back, don't forget what Baba said. So keep in your awareness these three forms. Are all of you staying comfortably? Do you have any difficulties? The double foreigners are still the queens of the beds, and the Bharatvasis are the queens of the floor. So Patrani, the number would be very high of all the brothers and sisters coming to Madhuban. So, at those times, tents were being made. So they had to sleep on the floor. So Baba is asking, you are the queens of the floor. You like this, do you not? It is easy to sleep on the floor, is it not? Is it easy or do you remember your beds? You do not remember your beds, do you? Yes, a time will come when all of you will have a bed. But when will that be? When you have made the whole of Abu belong to you. Now we see, right? So much of expansion is there. The happiness of this gathering is even greater than that of the beds and Dunlop beds. Just as you sleep comfortably on the Dunlop beds, in the same way, you are able to sleep comfortably here also. Are you not? You go to sleep whilst drinking the nectar of knowledge, and so you sleep well. So Baba says, while having this knowledge, you sleep in the lap of Baba, right? So you're comfortable here also in Madhuban when you don't get a good bed to sleep. To drink the nectar of knowledge and to eat Brahma Bhojan. What else is there? All of you receive ready prepared food, do you not? Double foreigners receive ready prepared food. Sorry. Yeah. Double foreigners receive ready prepared food, do you not? There you have to prepare it yourself. The mothers also receive ready prepared food, do you not? Acha. All of you are happy. You have the fortune of happiness and you have a happy face. Or does your face sometimes become something else? So this we need to check, right? Throughout the day, is my face always happy, cheerful, or it changes? Do you constantly have a happy face, or is it sometimes serious and sometimes happy? It is not like this, is it? You have the fortune of happiness, and you are those who constantly have a happy face. There should never be a difference visible on your face. When you become angry or when internally you have a lot of anger, then is your face happy or is it red or yellow? Hmm? It is said, no, in Hindi we say, "हाँ, गुस्से में लाल पीले हो गए हैं." So Baba is asking, your face becomes red or yellow or it is constantly happy. So your face should constantly be cheerful. This is known as constantly having a happy face. Your face should always be happy. It should not sometimes be like one thing and another thing at other times. To the extent that all of you remember Baba. Now, here Baba says how to constantly have a happy face. To the extent that all of you remember Baba and have love for him in your heart. So accordingly, Baba remembers and loves each of you multi-million times. Baba always says this, yaad se yaad milti hai. So when I remember Baba, Baba remembers me. So now Baba is saying Baba also remembers and loves each one of you multi-million times. You ask Baba, what do you do throughout the whole day? So what does Baba say? That he only remembers the children throughout the whole day. What else does he have to do? You have this intoxication, do you not? People of the world remember the Father, and the Father is remembering you. So this point is of great intoxication, right? जिसको सारी दुनिया याद कर रही है, वो हमें याद कर रहा है. So Baba says you have this intoxication that the Father is remembering you. Acha. Now Baba meets different zones. Gujarat zone. What blessing has Gujarat received? One of being ever ready, of saying Haji. Is Gujarat like this? So Gujarat is even now visible as having the sign of two specialities. Or you have to reveal these two in the future also. The two signs, the two specialities are to constantly remain satisfied. And only when you are content can you remain satisfied. So you especially have these two specialities of being satisfied and content. And you will always have these specialities. Do you understand? Those from Gujarat will never be dissatisfied, nor will they make others dissatisfied. So this is the speciality Baba is saying. Always content, always satisfied, and make others also content. Because of these two specialities, you will constantly continue to fly. Gujarat has especially been established by the thought of Father Brahma, and as soon as you took birth, you constantly became cooperative, and you are this even now. Right? So Gujarat being close to Madhuban, they, what any program in Madhuban, any conference, anything. So Gujarat Sevadharis are called from Gujarat, and they immediately go. So Baba says, you are cooperative even now. Did those from Gujarat understand? You constantly have the finger of cooperation. Look, whenever there is any program, or even during the season, who is especially remembered? The mothers of Gujarat are remembered. No matter how many chapatis others make, they are not able to make them like those from Gujarat make them. This is your speciality. You are those who remain ever ready in every task. Acha. So Baba mentioned about these specialities, being ever ready, being content, and always being cooperative. Then the eastern zone. The sun has risen in the eastern zone. The souls from the eastern zone are constantly those who give others the inspirations to make the self and others into worship-worthy souls. Sorry. Because a lot of worshipping takes place in the eastern zone, and so there are a lot of worshippers. The eastern zone has a lot of chance to carry out the service of making worshippers into worship-worthy souls. Those who make the most number of worshipper souls into worship-worthy souls are worshipped for many births. पुजारी से पूज्य बनाना. So Baba says, जितना हम पुजारी को पूज्य बनाएंगे, we will become worship worthy accordingly. And accurately according to the right method. How will you be worshipped? Accurately with the right method. So because the souls from the eastern zone make other souls into worship worthy souls, they are going to become the worship worthy souls for many births. You do this service, do you not? Do worship worthy souls become worship worthy from being worshippers? Or do they simply become those who have a glimpse? Right? सिर्फ दर्शन लेके जाने वाले नहीं, लेकिन बाबा says पूज्य बनना है, पूज्य बनाना है. What happens? Those from the eastern zone should speak. You change the worshippers into worship-worthy souls. So the eastern zone has received the special blessing of making souls worship-worthy. So you have a special chance and also the blessing. Do you have the intoxication that you are the worship-worthy souls who will be instruments to make others the same? Do you understand? Acha. The teachers have renounced something. They are sitting at the back. They have given others the chance to sit at the front. It is good. The speciality of the Eastern Zone is that, a few days back also Baba said this, right? The Eastern Zone has a speciality that it is the land of revelation of Father Brahma. So even the land has this blessing. The knowledge, the sun of knowledge, Baba says, no, it rose in the east. Baba had these visions while Baba was in Calcutta. So Baba says it is the land of revelation. So in the eastern zone also, there was the revelation of Father Brahma. So it is such an elevated land. The land is elevated, the service is elevated, and the servers are also constantly elevated. Acha. Constantly clap your hands in happiness in the same way. What are the claps of happiness? So Baba is saying constantly keep clapping in happiness. So what is that? Do you know how to clap in happiness? This clapping is physical. What is the clap of happiness? The clap of happiness is to smile. So keep clapping means keep smiling. You may clap your hands here, but when you return home, constantly clap in happiness. Not just the Eastern Zone, but all of you should do this. Whoever sees you should start to clap. Right? So when I smile, anyone who will look at me will smile, right? So Baba says, whoever sees you should start to clap. Even they should start smiling. Your happiness and smile should be such that others begin to clap. So next Baba is meeting Bombay and Pune. The mothers of Pune are sitting at the front. You are clever in taking a chance. So Pune and Bombay is the land of those who are the carefree emperors, who are free from any worry. Bombay is the place of the carefree emperors, and Pune is also the place of the carefree emperors. Carefree emperors, right? Befikra Badshah. So Baba is asking now, are you free from any kind of worry? You are not saying yes to this. Are you carefree? Are Bombay and Pune free from any worry? Or do you have a little worry? You yourselves are the carefree emperors, and you are those who finish the worries of others. Right? So Baba is saying you yourself are free from any kind of worry, and then you can make others also free from worries. You are those who make everyone into carefree emperors. So you are clever in giving the kingdom to others, are you not? Do you know how to make the poor ones into emperors? What type of emperor will you make them? Into carefree emperors. So you are those who constantly remain carefree and who make others carefree. This is the speciality of the elevated souls of the confluence age, to be a carefree emperor. So, speciality of the elevated souls of confluence age is to be a carefree emperor. So, are you the emperors, or do you sometimes even become the subjects? It is good. Whether it is Bombay or Pune, you are moving forward in service and will continue to do so. How many service centers have those from Pune created? So someone replied, 22. Acha. Oh, so now there's a lot of expansion, right? This is year 94. So Baba says, and how many Gita Pathshalas are there? 300. Look, you're clever in service, are you not? And how many service centers are there in Bombay? 36. And how many Gita Pathshalas? They are countless. Many Gita Pathshalas, right? It is good. In fact, service is expanding in 4 directions. However, with the blessings from service, make your speed of the flying stage of the self and of others fast. This is why Bapdada is constantly happy with your service. You are happy, are you not? You are also happy, are you not? You have not yet created 9 lakhs. You still have to do this. You are still doing this. And so Bapdada is happy to see what you are doing. But you still have a margin to do this. It has not yet been completed. How much population do you say there is? How many have been prepared? So someone replied, 3 lakhs. At present, there are still double the amount left. Now, so we have, right? Now 9 lakhs have been completed. So Baba says, so we shall see who puts this around Baba. We shall see who prepares this rosary. Will those from Bombay and Pune do this? You are both in Maharashtra, are you not? So those from Maharashtra will put the garland of 9 lakhs around Baba's neck. It is good. Next zone is Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The majority of souls in Karnataka are loving souls. The majority are loving to the Father. So love is the easy method for remembrance, right? Where there is love, there is easy, natural remembrance. And those who themselves are loving easily make others into loving also. So those from Karnataka have this special blessing and speciality. You have love, and because of love, there is also expansion. Now you put this love into the practical form, and with the power of greater love, continue to move forward even more. You do not forget the Father, so much because of love. But when you do forget, you forget him very much. Why? Baba sometimes receives news of children forgetting. However, Karnataka should never let go of the speciality of being loving. Karnataka has received this speciality according to the drama. You are using it, but underline it for the future and continue to move forward. Baba should not receive any such news from Karnataka anymore. Right? News of complaints, news of defeat from Maya. So Baba says no such news anymore. Are you ready in this way? Teachers, raise your hand. Acha. Do the teachers think that after today there will not be any news apart from that of love from Karnataka? Do the teachers have this courage? Say yes or no. Acha. Dadi Chandramani has been given Karnataka. So do you have such a guarantee? Acha. Those who think that you have to put this speciality into its practical form, raise your hand. Whether you are teachers or students, raise your hand. So is it Haji or Naji? Haji. Now look, there will not be any such letters. Is it all right? You agree to this. It is good. You are loving. You have so much love for Drishti. You may not understand the language of, you may not understand the language, but you do have a lot of love. So Baba speaks in Hindi when Karnataka Nivasis, they do not understand Hindi. So Baba says, you have love for the Drishti. Though you don't understand the language, there's a lot of love. So Bab Dada is happy to see this love. However, you have to become complete. There shouldn't be the slightest obstacle amidst the loving souls. Because Karnataka has constantly showed plays. Karnataka are those who perform the play. So what play will you perform? The play of love. Even so, Bab Dada sees that you are clever in expanding. So what play will you show? That of love. To be loving and to remain loving. Do you understand? Acha. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is in connection with those from Karnataka. Look, Andhra has surrounded all four directions. It is towards Maharashtra and also towards Orissa. So what wonders will those from Andhra perform to claim the number one in service and in self-progress? Is this all right? You have to become number one. So now Baba is meeting the double foreigners. Acha, the double foreigners have come to celebrate Christmas and the New Year. So first of all, greetings to all the double foreigners for Christmas. Because many cards and letters have come from all four directions. So these reach Bab Dada even before the post arrives. You send it by air mail and they reach Bab Dada via air fly, right? So संकल्प करते ही बाबा के पास पहुंच जाता है. Right? Baba says your mail reaches later, but I receive it even earlier. And the wave of service and self-progress is very good in the foreign lands. And the majority have this very good zeal and enthusiasm. Day and night, you have the one concern that the flag of Baba's glorification should be raised everywhere. It is the duty of the foreigners to awaken those in Bharat. Only when you hoist the flag high will everyone's vision go there. Bab Dada even calls the double foreigners those who perform wonders. So what wonders have you performed? You have performed the wonder of experiencing the distant to be close. The more distant the land is, the closer you are to the heart. You have come from all four directions. Acha. The group from Russia has especially come. Those from Russia, raise your hand. Where has the largest number come from? Australia. Those from Australia, raise your hand. Even this one goes there, that is enough. Acha. Bab Dada gives the double foreigners the special blessings to be constantly seated on the heart throne. You are in Baba's heart, and Baba is in your heart. Those from Russia are also performing wonders. You continue to move forward. In which aspect are those from Russia especially happy? For which aspect do you have special happiness? Speak. So someone replied, that of a meeting, meeting Baba. This is the happiness. Everyone has this happiness. However, those from Russia have this special blessing. Someone said, we have found Baba. Everyone has found Baba. However, those from Russia have the special happiness that the pure desire they had of true independence is now fulfilled. Do you understand? In terms of the world and in terms of the condition of the soul. Right? So true independence, right? When you receive knowledge, you experience true independence. And the other Baba says the worldly independence. Russia received independence. You were dependent on others for a long time, and you have now become free, have you not? Now the flag of independence is being hoisted in Russia. Together with Shiv Baba's flag, there is the flag of independence hoisted everywhere. And you have become so happy. You have become liberated from all the bondages of being dependent. And you have attained all attainments so easily. You have attained all attainments, have you not? Are they fulfilled? Say, Haji, it is good. You have good courage. Double foreigners have the courage to move forward themselves. And you also have good courage in making others move along. It is because of courage that the foreign lands are moving forward in service. You are souls who are worthy to receive special courage and special help. Jahan himmat hai, wahan madad hai, right? So Baba says you are worthy to receive courage and help. Look, those from London also maintained courage and got the museum. You have got the key, have you not? Before you receive the key to heaven, you have received the key for service. You have performed good wonders. Everyone's vision is drawn to these. What are these Rajyogis? What are they doing in an incognito way? All those who have come from Australia and all other places, Bab Dada is giving all children a special gift for Christmas. May you constantly continue to eat the Dilkhush Toli and feed it to others also. All of you have received the gift of the kingdom of heaven, have you not? All of you have the globe of the new world of heaven in your hands, do you not? You must have seen the picture of Sri Krishna holding the globe. So Baba says, all of you have the globe of new world in your hands. You are those who have a fast speed in terms of writing letters and cards. Babdada feels that you are clever in giving a sign or proof of your remembrance. Are you all right? You are those who live in pleasure, are you not? Some foreigners were listening to the Murli whilst on the floor with the FM radio. Acha, all those sitting at the front are sitting with their own equipment, are they not? It is good. This is also a sign of cleverness. In the same way, you are also close to the heart. Acha. This is an international group. To all the long lost and now found beloved souls. In front of him, and you will constantly continue to move forward with the speciality of remaining personally in front of Baba. Do you understand? So last 2 days Baba has been saying this in the blessing of the Sakar Murlis, right? Experience being personally in front of Baba, as in Sakar. So Baba now gives the remembrance and love to all the Brahmins who are to become angels and the angels who are to become the deities, to the souls who are the embodiment of remembrance of all three forms, to the elevated souls who make themselves double light with the awareness of the one word. So, do you all remember one word what Baba said yesterday? To become light, remember one word, that is Karan Karavan Har. To those who constantly give as the deities, the bestowers, to the souls who are complete with all treasures, to the Karma Yogi souls who put all the blessings into practical action, Bab Dada's love, remembrances, Christmas greetings, and Namaste. So we children also say hmm, love, remembrances, good morning, and Namaste to dear Bab Dada. Then Baba speaks to Dadi Janki. It is good you have become clever and flying. You have received the donation of life, and the more service you do, the more your health improves. Because everyone's blessings make you healthy. You have the Father's help anyway, but the blessings are making you younger. It is good. Dadi Chandramani, this one has also been on a tour. Your name has become fixed amongst those who are the rulers of the globe. It is good. Your service is revealing the future. It is doing this, is it not? Baba would not mention any names, that this one is this, but service itself is revealing this. How many rulers of the globe have been prepared? Many souls become content in the one tour, and so the tour was filled with the blessing of being a ruler of the globe. So, how many souls become content? Many. The more your life increases, the more you have to tour around. Dadi Janki ji, again Baba spoke to Dadi Janki. When someone receives blessings or when anyone has the attainment of happiness and peace, the blessings that emerge from their lips is that they give you their life. Hmm? ऐसे कहते हैं ना दुआओं में कि मेरी भी मेरी भी आयु आपको लग जाए. So Baba is saying in blessings, what do they say? They give you their life. What do they send in the cards? That they are giving you their life. You serve thousands in one tour, and so you receive blessings a thousandfold. It is good. All of you are continuing to do your own service very well. All of you have pure attachment to the dadis. You do not have ordinary attachment, do you? You do not have the attachment that gives sorrow, but attachment that gives happiness. Do you have a lot of this? The more attachment you have, the more free from attachment you are. So, this pure love, pure attachment. You are loving and detached. You are like this, are you not? Or are you just loving and not detached? You are those who keep the balance of being both loving and detached. This was the sign that Baba mentioned yesterday of being light, of being loved by everyone. It is also a part of the souls of the beginning to be special instruments. You have taken a lot of sustenance. These people have not had the direct sustenance from Baba that you received. So you have also received the part of sustaining others to the same extent that you have taken sustenance. May everyone's life become as long as 1,000 years. 1,000 years. Do you not wish to go back home? Do you just wish to remain in the old world? It is good. This museum will also work wonders. This is the practical form of determination. In London, there was a museum taken. So Baba is telling about that. Determination changes even the impossible to possible and makes you attain success. It is good. You have courage. So give special love and remembrances to all those who have become special instruments. It is a good means of service. One or another becomes an instrument and creates his fortune. Those who are to give are already fixed in the drama. Acha, speaking to Dadiji, is everything all right? Are you now thinking about the Mela? Those from Delhi and Bombay are also sitting here. You will definitely show wonders. Delhi and Bombay are instruments anyway. They are instruments for the establishment and also for the revelation. In the same way, in foreign lands, London is instrumental for the establishment and the revelation. Acha, Om Shanti. Let's pause for a minute in silence. Om Shanti. Anyone would like to share? What would you like to take from today's Murli?
So Om Shanti sister. So
Om
today
Shanti.
I want to take Baba says now take the to eat the toli of Dilkush constantly and also give others the same. So that one I want to take sister. So the same I think so the clapping the hands of happiness always.
Yes, sister, that's a very nice point. Clapping in happiness means to keep. What did Baba say?
Smile. Uh,
Uh,
to be in
keep
smile
smiling.
always in our
Yeah.
face.
Keep smiling so that others look at you and smile.
Om Shanti sister.
Om Shanti. Because Baba also said, right, your face should always be cheerful, always happy. Check throughout the day. Does your face change? Sometimes happy, sometimes serious.
So many different moods.
Yeah.
Om Shanti.
Om
Om
Shanti.
Shanti.
Om Shanti, sister.
My takeaway points from today's Murli would be the specialities of Gujarat. That is, they are always content, satisfied, and make others also the same. And they are always ever ready and cooperative too. So these points I would like to take from the Gujaratis. Om Shanti.
Yeah, thank you, sister, for sharing. Mm.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
I like this point that for Dadi, Baba has said that blessing has longer your life. So whenever we think of service, it is also one perspective that by giving others peace and happiness, we are even having the blessing of longer our life also. So that's beautiful that by serving others, we are getting blessings, and by through blessings, we are longer our life also. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. Baba says, no, blessings are like lift. Okay. Shall we move on to meditation, Rakhi Ben?
Yes, Sharnaben.
Yeah. Okay. Sister, can you just share the slide?
You want me to start the slide?
If you can, otherwise we can. I'll just give some.
Okay.
Otherwise, we can have some music. If not,
Okay. I'll start the music. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Om Shanti. Let us sit back in silence. Become aware of yourself as a bodiless soul in this corporeal form. And see yourself through the elevated vision of Baba. As Baba sees my elevated form, the Brahmin form, see your elevated Brahmin form, the one which is complete with all powers, always a victorious soul. Having the understanding of using the weapons of knowledge according to the time and circumstances, and being the conqueror of Maya. I, the Brahmin soul, have spirituality filled in my face and character. I am living a life of alokik pleasures. With integrity and similarity in between my words and actions, my aim and qualifications. Experience the intoxication of this pure Brahmin life and gradually emerge your angelic form. A Brahmin to become an angel, double light, always flying, experiencing lightness in my sanskars, in my relationships, free from the bondages of old memories or anything from the past. Visualize your angelic form. I, the soul, point of light in the body of light, flying up above this corporeal world. Now invoke your deity form. I, the soul, descend from the soul world onto this stage as a deity, the form which is adorned with divine virtues and powers, beautifully decorated with this jewelry. I am a deity, the one who constantly gives, master bestower. I do not want anything from anyone. I am free from expectations. In this deity form, My face is glowing with the power of purity, ever cheerful and smiling. Slowly I come back to the present corporeal form. And make this determined thought to practice this drill of elevated forms throughout the day. With Baba as my companion. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Have a nice day.
Om Shanti. See you all tomorrow morning at 5:30 a.m.